Hey baby, how are you doing? I'm just happy that we are talking again, have contact to each other. Anyway, I'm just happy, and I'm loving you more and more every day. I love you. I love you, Luigi, Louis, Luisito, whatever. Boopsie. Anyway, I'm just missing you very much. I'm really hoping one day we will meet each other again. I love you. I'm off to bed soon. I love you, baby. Hug me, please. I love you. I love you. I'm hugging you now.